Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you what the reskins for some of the buddies are going to look like. They're finally getting reskinned along with everything, or you could say that they're getting moved to HD quality, but anyway, let's get into the video. Okay, so on the Prodigy wiki, First Mate Philip shows that some of the buddies are getting reskinned. Mostly they're going to be rabbits, cats, and dogs for the first update. This is what the cat-o'-lantern is going to look like. Obviously, this is because it's a cat. Then we have the rabbit, or the ruined rabbit. This is because we got the lucky rabbit, so it makes sense that they would update the ruined rabbit at the same time they're rolling out the lucky rabbit. Next up, we have what I believe they call the sparkly kitty. It looks a little same, except it has more of a 3D right here. Same with the dog, it has more of a snout, and it looks a bit different. It doesn't have as much of a thin face. I believe this is the Shiba Inu, and it looks sort of different. We have the Beagle, which has blue eyes now, and I believe it has a little different color scheme. Then we have what I think, that's not the Calico Cat, the Tabby Cat. Yeah, that is the Tabby Cat. It has green eyes now, and it looks a little different. This one, I can't remember what it's called, but it's a lot different. It's gold eyes, and that's just called the Gray Cat. And its gray is not as dark as the other. So this is the Calico Cat. It looks about the same as the other one, just more 3D, or not 3D, HD. Then we have the Husky, which looks very different as blue eyes, which is more realistic. Then we have the German Shepherd, which is blue eyes, which isn't as realistic. We have what I'm assuming is called the Dotted Cat. It's called the Tuxedo Cat. And it does have two different colored eyes. Does the one in game do? No, it does not. So that is some cool detail. We have the White Cat, which has green eyes, and then we have the Timberwolf, which I think looks pretty cool. It does look a little chubby, though. So yeah, that is going to go ahead and end up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.